In this video, we're going to look at how to share your visualizer through a Zoom meeting. So I'm in a Zoom meeting, as you can see. It might mean my voice and my picture is slightly off because I'm recording my Zoom from another recording. But I'm in a Zoom meeting on my own at the minute, but I just want to be able to show you how you can share your visualizer through your Zoom meeting. So if you want to deliver as a staff meeting, or if you're having to do delivery from home, or you've got a hybrid model where you're sharing to some children at home, or even you're doing some revision lessons out of class time and so it's being delivered virtually, or whatever it might be. You can also record your Zoom. So if you were doing a Zoom on your own like this and you're sharing your visualizer, you can record that as a video to share asynchronously as well, as I have done for this one. So there are two main ways to share your visualizer view through Zoom. One way only requires your visualizer to be plugged in without any software, and that is because your computer will recognize your visualizer as a camera, and it might even default to that camera as the one that you want to log in as your Zoom meeting to. But you can see here I'm currently, so if my stop video bit, if I click up the little up arrow, it gives me these options to select my camera. Now the minute I'm on my FaceTime HD camera, which is the one showing me, but if I click to PC cam, it will switch it over to my whiteboard because that is what is underneath my visualizer at the minute. So I'll just move my visualizer arm there. Now, one problem with this, you'll notice, is it's reversed, because that's actually a 1, that's 2 out of 2, that's 4 out of 4. So what I can do is go into the video settings and I can untick mirror my video, and then it will switch to the right way round. So there I have my visualizer the right way round now. Now this is then going to be able to show it the right way round when you're doing a video. If you want to record this, so you don't have to have your face in the video at all. I normally like to not have mine, but it was unavoidable for this one, I'm afraid. But you can just then talk over, and you can then record. If I record this Zoom session within Zoom, which I haven't done because I need to show you the Zoom settings, but if I record it within Zoom, it would then record that, and I can then take that video and share it with my students or with the other staff if we're going to make it for a staff meeting one, as an asynchronous resource as well. So that is how you can share your visualizer through changing your video. I'm just going to change my video back to me. And then what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to share screen, and this I've got the option, I can either share the whole desktop, so if I'm going between my visualizer and a PowerPoint or something, then I share my whole desktop, and I then can just minimize my PowerPoint, go to my visualizer view and back and forth. For this one though, if I want to share just the visualizer view, I can just click on the Explore view, which is my software. So for this one you do need the software installed, or you need to be able to open your visualizer in one of your, sometimes you have on your computer a setting we can just open it as a camera within your computer, and there'd be some sort of kind of app or piece of software for that. But otherwise use the software that came with your visualizer. So mine's Explore view, so I'm just going to click on that and then share. And then now you will still see me in the top as you would do with Zoom, but you'll also see the visualizer view as well, which has got all of my software, which can be really handy because then you can show how you're using your visualizer in different ways as well. You can also, if you open it as a camera from your computer instead, use it that way, or the bottom right I've got a little kind of full screen where I can share it in a way that full screens it rather than showing all the software around it as well, and then I can just escape when I've done with that. And then when I finish sharing the visualizer bit, I can stop share, and then it takes you back to just the people in the meeting, which is just me. So hopefully that's been useful, and there are some videos that also show you lots of different ideas for using visualizers in maths and English and generally across the curriculum, so do check those out as well. And there's a video on the principles of modelling with visualizers. Thank you.